RetroMusic Player is a simple and beautiful music player for Android. It has extremely impressive interface, easy to navigate songs, and you will also get the play, replay, repeat and autoplay options just like other music players. You can enjoy non-stop ad-free clear music. Now let's take a look at our next app. Next we have the Lean Launcher. It's a great launcher. After opening the app you will find a heap of settings. Now go down and tap on About. Hit the app info and select Lean Launcher from the home screen settings. This will change the default UI to Lean Launcher. Now I found this setup process little weird because on using the app for the first time, it took me 10 minutes to find out the way to set it up. It will be so good if the developers add a set as default launcher button somewhere on the top. Moreover, the design is clean and you should definitely download this app from the link given in the description below. Polaris Office comes handy when you want Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel and Notes at the same time. Some phones have built-in Microsoft apps, but these apps take up a lot of your phone's space. To save more space, here is Polaris under 50 MB. In Polaris you will get Word, Docs, Sheets, Slides and PDF. It's very useful and easy to use. What I like the most is you can save a Word file here, transfer that file to your PC and open it in MS Word. Yes, it saves the file on your phone in Doc, DocX, XLX, PDF and a ton of file formats. Fully compatible with Microsoft Office, PDF Reader and Converter. You can keep all the documents always up to date in sync via Polaris Stripe or any other cloud services. My Captions is the best app for quotes for Instagram, Facebook or WhatsApp posts and status. There are hundreds and thousands of quotes from different categories. Interestingly, with these quotes, My Captions will offer you with hashtags related to that particular quote. You can copy and paste in your Instagram bio, stories and posts. Same goes for WhatsApp stories, status and Facebook post. Choose one caption from the vast library, copy it and paste it. Movies is a different app. We often listen to music while checking our social media profiles. Movies acts like music visualizer on your phone's navigation bar or status bar while you are listening to your favorite music. To add more spice, you can also change the visualizer design from this infinite list. You can add them to your favorite list or even edit them to match your needs. Editing is easy, increase or decrease the height, change the color and more. Try it, link in the description. Gestures lock screen is the best of its kind. With this app you can unlock your phone using gestures. Crazy, right? Look at this. Here I am setting up the gesture. After that I am setting up the pin. If something goes wrong, I can still unlock my phone with this pin. When it's done, I can tweak the settings. Let's turn off the phone and try unlocking it. As you can see, it's pretty fast. In a snap of second, my phone unlocked. Sorry, my gesture is little weird. Anyways, the app can be great to blow your friend's mind. Rounded Corners is one of my go-to-go apps to customize my phone. Now there are several applications on Play Store similar to this, but the only thing that differs is the customizability. You can customize everything, increase or decrease the opacity of the black corners, size of the corners and a lot of things. So if you want these cool rounded corners on your phone, then install the Rounded Corners app from the link given in the description below. Another widget is not the best, but an awesome date and time widget. Just like Rounded Corner app, you can customize everything here, from the color to the size. To make your home screen look like Pixel phones, then you should definitely install this app now. To add the widget, long press on the home screen, then go to widgets. Drag the another widget on your home screen. It looks great when placed on top. That's why I'm keeping it at top. Marshmallow Wallpapers is for all Marshmallow fans. I love his music. In this wallpaper app, there are a ton of wallpapers of Marshmallow. These wallpapers are super cool and you should definitely set them up on your home screen. Replash is one of the best wallpaper apps on Play Store. Here you can download thousands of full HD photos which you can set as wallpaper easily. I couldn't spot any low resolution photos. All the photos are in high resolution. I liked each and every photo here, from colorful landscapes, cityscapes, lifestyle to dark AMOLED wallpaper. Everything is available in this app. Hey, if you enjoyed watching this video, then do like and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos just like this one. Thanks for watching. This is Bro Smart and I'm signing out.